Hey YouTubers, Jeff Borham here. Thanks for checking back to my YouTube channel. I have a special treat for us today. I'm going to interview Robert Galitz of Prospect Mortgage.
Hey Jeff, how you doing today?
I'm good. Thanks for coming in and
My
letting me
pleasure.
ask you some questions for my YouTube followers.
Great.
First and foremost, would you like to do a quick intro? Tell everyone a little bit about yourself.
Sure. I'm Rob Galitz. I'm with Prospect Mortgage here in Tampa. We are a national mortgage company. I've been in the business for 9 years. Let me tell you, Jeff, we've seen a lot of changes over the last 9 years. But with years of experience, you're dealing with a seasoned veteran that's up on things. And I'm really excited to work with first-time buyers and getting them into a home of their dreams.
Okay, great. That's a big segment of the population is either a first-time home buyer or someone who's been out of the market for a while. So can you go over that? What should someone who's getting ready to go into the market do before they contact a realtor or really delve into looking for their next home?
Sure, good question, Jeff. First-time buyers, this is much different than buying a car, going down to Rooms to Go or Best Buy to get financing there. This is serious stuff. It really is a commitment for the next 30 years. And we like to get everybody pre-qualified so you know exactly what your monthly payments are, what all comprises the monthly payment. And so you as the realtor know without a doubt that when you go show houses that your buyer that you're working with would actually be able to buy that house.
Very good. That's a good point. It's always good to know what price point and what area we should be looking in so we can find you the right home quickly. Now, my buyers are asking me about specific loan programs, 203K financing, USDA mortgages, stuff like that. Would you mind touching on these specific loan programs?
Sure. Right now we have 3 programs that are very great programs for first-time buyers. Let's start with the FHA. We've all heard of FHA financing. There's actually 2 programs we offer. The first one is the 203B. That is the traditional FHA loan for a home purchase where you're putting 3.5% down and then you move forward. So it's a relatively low down payment and the credit's a little bit easier to be qualified for. The other program...
Quick question.
Yes.
What kind of loan limitations are there in the FHA? Like how expensive of a home can they buy?
That's a great question, Jeff. Right now the limit here in Tampa Bay is $292,500 for the loan amount.
Okay. So anyone looking under $292,500 can get FHA financing if they meet the criteria.
Absolutely.
Okay,
absolutely.
very good.
The other program, which is of great interest today with a lot of bank-owned properties that might need a little renovation that's due, is the FHA 203K program that you mentioned. It is actually a renovation loan that allows buyers to roll in the renovation costs into the sale. So let's just use an example, $100,000 house, your general contractor goes out, does a home inspection, you might need $50,000 worth of work. You get a house that your loan on that is $150,000, might be worth $175,000, $200,000 after those repairs. So it really allows people to get a good buy and make it into a great home for themselves.
Okay. So you're buying a home that needs some work, and then you're actually rolling in the costs of the renovations.
And again, just like the regular FHA loan, it's 3.5% down, Jeff. It's a 30-year fixed interest rate.
Okay, very good. And what about this USDA? I've actually been hearing a lot about that lately, and I'm not that familiar. Tell me a little bit about the USDA.
Good question. It's another government-backed program. It was initially designed for rural areas, but we're blessed here in the Tampa Bay area that you go up parts of Pasco County, Hernando, Eastern Hillsborough, Polk County, that many of those areas are eligible for USDA financing. With that program, Jeff, that you're able to get 100% financing and there's no mortgage insurance. It's backed by the U.S. government.
Okay, that's big, no mortgage insurance.
And again, it's a 30-year fixed interest rate.
Okay. All right, well for everybody watching, do you have some final tips or things for them to do to prepare for their home search?
Sure. Again, the best thing, Jeff, is that this is serious stuff to get your financing out of the way. It can be very stressful, but you get your financing issues out of the way, then they can really enjoy their time with you as you look during the home hunting process to look at those homes, and they know that they're going to be well qualified for it. And between the two of us, we'll make it a very pleasant experience for them.
Okay. Well, thank you, Robert Galitz.
Thanks, Jeff.
Like always, YouTubers, remember to check back for the latest and greatest in Tampa Bay real estate.